And they're never so strong as when they dry out, you know. Not nowhere near. That looks pretty strong, but no, it's not going to be strong when it dries out. Now that we'll make a cloud shape out of this, coming across, and then coming smaller as we come down, smaller shapes. We can use a little bit of burnt sienna, just a touch if you want to. Little bit of blue in it. Just a touch here and there. A little bit of raw sienna over there, around this area. Now we don't want to make too much of it. Let's not just, we'll just leave it at that. Now we'll just bring in some raw sienna and a little bit of lemon. And the tiniest bit of Windsor. And we'll bring it across here. Like this. I'm going to bring this in a little lower. And there we are for that one now. We can bring a little bit of a brown cast just about here. I'll just bring some more foreground in here. This is the only place I might bring some foreground in. I mean large foreground, sorry. Well, that's it there. Now we come on across. With a bit bigger brush, a size 8 probably, around that size. We'll get some English red, and we'll put a cottage in. Like this, and we put another little lean-to at the side. We'll go on, we'll have it there. And that one just here. Now, carry on with our worn squirrel brush. And bring some trees here. I'll just put some of our trees in. First of all, we better put a little bit of distant hills in. Oops, there. Just a tree here. Okay, now where are we? Oh yeah, another loose one for you. I haven't spoke much, but what I've done, I've kept it very light. Not overdone it in the foreground. Left the foreground bare mostly. Patch it up like warm in a bit of lemon in raw sienna, and a bit of burnt sienna here and in here with that. A bit of ultramarine, a little bit of raw sienna, a bit of burnt sienna with your ultramarine. Just kept that little bit of it, left a bit of white at the top there. A little bit of a shape though. But that's all you need to do when you're out in the field, and if you want to do a loose painting, which is rather nice. You could do a few of those, couldn't you? Different places you've been to. This would be a Norfolk scene with a farm. But there's plenty like this from Lancashire and Yorkshire. Maybe a bit more fields, a bit more slanting, a bit higher at the back and so on. But it all can be done in the same fashion. Nice, loose, easy painting. It's purely a way of painting which can be nice to look at, but easy to paint and nice to look at. So I just put this back, and very quick as well. You can do it very quick. The thing is, don't overpaint. Be careful when you paint it. And there we are. Now a little bit of really red, strong red could probably bring out the cottage, if we wanted to make the cottage jump out more. It's often done to take your eye to the centre of the painting, but you don't need with this, I don't think. Just a little bit of red more, but not much. It's a matter of taste with art, isn't it? Matter of taste. Do you like strong colours? Which I do, and I often do very strong colours with very strong trees. In the same painting as this now, you could have a really strong tree in the background, or you could leave it just like this. That's it now. Thanks for looking in. Enjoy your company. See you all for now. Bye bye. Take care everybody.